Welcome back to our little greenhouse here where we are experimenting and pushing the grow zones. We have all of this life growing and continuing to grow, and we're sprouting tons of new plants. That's what I want to show you today. We are holding about 45 degrees in here. I placed these bricks in here right in our walkway. On each side of them is our water that heats up through our compost and heats these bricks up. These bricks also catch a lot of passive energy from our reflective wall and the sun bouncing and reflecting it into here when we get sunlight. So that is why we have our compost system heating the floor in here. What I wanted to come out here and show is all of these fresh sprouts. We've got all this green life. We sprouted on the floor in our greenhouse in the middle of winter. These are all broccoli on this side. These were a Waltham broccoli here. Waltham 59, I believe, and they have big, large heads on them. They do not do as well in the cold, I've found. They've gotten a little damaged. So these broccoli are a Rob, I believe, Rob broccoli. We're excited to try these because they have smaller heads and they should do a little better for us in the cold. This was cool. These are French radishes. I wanted to start them individually so I can plug them throughout this bed. What I'm gonna do is pull this lettuce up and all of the mixed lettuce, arugula, everything that's in there, some Swiss chard. We're gonna pull all that out, feed the damaged bits to the chickens, and we'll eat the rest of it for salads. But I'm gonna slowly phase this bed back. You can see all this nice green life in here, but that bed will slowly be cut in half. We will start planting it out. I have all of these onions. I actually got these to sprout out here too. I was shocked that all of these came up for us. So we are achieving sprouting temperatures on the floor of our greenhouse. That is amazing to us, especially being in the middle of winter. We've got snow everywhere. We've got snow up on top of our greenhouse today. So when we come out here to check on these and all of our systems are running, it makes us feel like we've done something correct. So aside from these greenhouse boxes, which are completely covered, make a nice little greenhouse atmosphere in there for these to sprout, we have this little experiment right here, just a single pane of glass. We've got about a 2-inch gap. We had just sown these seeds, but this bed kind of dried out on us and we haven't been out here a whole lot to check on it. So we need to get out here and water. But you can see there's a lot of sprouts. We sowed this really thick and heavy to kind of replicate that bed there. So we can continually get harvests off of all of these beds all winter long here. That was the whole point of building this. That was the whole point of putting all the effort into heating our greenhouse and the floor. So I have got a ton of work to do. I gotta pull this out, go feed our chickens up. It's nice and cold out today, so I gotta get my sweatshirt back on here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Thank you for watching.